Okay, today we're going to prepare Basmati rice, which is a universally appreciated food. Okay, for the Basmati rice, first thing we're going to do is, here's the body Basmati rice. Right now we got Arjun Basmati rice, which is a name for one of Krishna's greatest devotees. And this rice is one of the finest rices in the world for flavor. And it's very easy to prepare. I'm going to take you through the preparation step by step. 1 cup for 1 cup of rice. There we go. Basmati rice. Now we don't want to lose any of the grains. So what I'm going to do is, watch this. I'm going to take it like this. Should I clean our sink out? Anyway, here we go. So what I'm doing here right now is just getting all of the rice into the pot. Not one rice. Prabhupada wouldn't like us to waste 1 grain of rice. It happens, but make an effort not to. Okay, so now if you can see, I'm washing the rice with my hands. Get all the starch off. Any kind of dirt that might be on the rice, get rid of it. Let's do it again. And then we're going to add the water. So the water is 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. Okay, so I'm going to do, I like to add a little extra water to it as opposed to, you can see I've got it full. And you know, I'm going to take a chance and just give a little extra hit. This ensures that it steams properly. Okay, here we go. On the oven at high heat. Now, next, 1 teaspoon Himalayan pink salt. Generous slice. We're using unsalted butter. It's fresh. Let's do a little bit more. There you go. So, a tablespoon of fresh butter. Now we're going to grate in some pepper. Fresh ground. It enhances the flavor of the rice, so it's not just plain white rice. Today we're making rice with mixed vegetables. Oh yes. So add them now. You add to what you think your friends or family would like into the rice like this, as much. Here at the ashram, Krishna, he likes vegetables, our deities. So do the devotees. So look how nice that looks. Beautiful. So much variegatedness. And we got 1 pea, huh? Now we're going to bring this to a boil and then put the top on, let it steam, and we'll have perfect basmati rice. This is a cucumber salad. Another 5 minutes of cooking, and then we'll put the top on. Let it steam 15 minutes, and this basmati rice will be ready to be offered to Krishna. Most important thing when you're making rice is to watch it. Just like the gardener watches the garden, the chef watches the stove. Here's the next complicated step. You put the top on the pot. Now, this is a new approach to making rice for me, which is let it sit on the stove with the heat off for around 15 minutes and it'll come out perfect. You don't have to worry about burning. A lot of people burn things in the kitchen because they don't pay attention, concentrate. There we go, off. Beautiful. The water is dissipating. You can see soon water will be gone and it'll just be the beautiful basmati rice with the mixed vegetables, the butter, Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, 2 cups of water and a little more. Perfect basmati rice. And if you don't have time to cook chapatis or naan breads, you can buy them. There's lots of these products available in the grocery stores now. With our multicultural society here in Canada, manufacturers are trying to provide the type of original foods to those people as well as us. Here's a naan bread. Now, the way to make the naan bread fresh is very simple. I have a cast iron frying pan here. There's ghee in the frying pan. Ghee, which is a brain food. Very good for your health and a blessing from Mother Cow. That's why we don't eat meat. What you do for here is simply place this on the iron pan like this, and we're going to bring it up to a temperature and make it fresh again. We've got the rice. It's coming close to completion. Yesterday I made a beautiful pot of mung dal soup, vegetable soup, and we have, here you'll see, we have some left over for today. I find with a day-old soup, if it's properly refrigerated, the flavors become enhanced. Beautiful naan bread heated up in the iron pan. And it is stainless. You'll notice all of our dishes, all of our pots are stainless steel. Don't use aluminum. You have a danger of aluminum poisoning from prolonged use of aluminum dishes. So stainless steel. And look at how nice that rice is looking. I'm going to treat everybody. Look at that. See that? Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagaritaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Gaur Ki Jai Jagannath Swami Ki Jai Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai Nrsimha Bhagavan Ki Jai. When taking prasadam, that you should sit down immediately and honor it. So Krishnadas is going to